Is it hard to be fresh if you don't have money, or can you still pull it off?
See, when I ain't had no money, I still had sauce. See, if you don't got no sauce, then you're lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for another video. We are working on the good old race car. It's been quite some time since we've actually worked on this guy, and I'm ready to go into it full force. We got Michael, new guy on the channel here. We also have Nick. He'll be in some videos coming in soon, but he just wasn't able to make it tonight. So what our plan is we're gonna pull the motor and we're gonna do a little special sauce here in the engine bay. You wanna tell them what we're doing?
Anime paint job, manga style. Put some pearl over it, make it look pretty.
Sweet. Yeah, so I've been seeing all those pictures online of like people riding in the engine bays, and I thought that was super cool. And Michael's actually done it before, so I figured it'd be something cool we could do with the car. I'll give you guys a quick walk around with the car, see where it's at currently. Roll cage is pretty much done. There's only a few things that we got to do. I got to finish down low, and then there's a couple bars I have to add in here for it to be finished. I'm still looking for a roof, so shout out to anybody out there that's got a roof, fiberglass or metal. At this point, I don't care. I just want to get a roof on it. But I still got all the Lexan. I got all that stuff that we're going to be getting going. But I want to get all the chassis. I want to get the car ready just to get the motor back in and start racing this guy. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Go ahead and get this motor pulled and go from there. We got both axles out. Now all we got to do is the 3 for the mounts, and it is out. I also was thinking about painting the motor, making the motor look good, but I haven't gotten that far. It'd be kind of weird having a really nice engine bay and the motor doesn't look good, so I might do a little something here. We'll see. Tomorrow is I'm going to get everything prepped. I'm going to go ahead and wash out the engine bay, get everything nice and clean. Also want to do some spring cleaning in here because there is just a lot of random stuff. Last night I was looking, you all right?
Jack slip.
Ah, you're all right. Last night I was looking for fuel pumps online and I didn't even realize it, but I have one right here already. So I got to go through all my inventory, go through all my stuff, but there's a bunch of stuff in here. I just need to clean through it, see what's junk, and then go through all my other parts that I have and see what needs to be ordered and whatnot. But we're gonna go ahead and get everything bolted up so that way we can push it back out. Alrighty guys, so that was just a quick little video. I was really eager just to get something out. It's been way too long and I've had the itch just to start making some content and getting back out there. So hope you guys like this video. Like I said, what I'm gonna do next is get the engine bay clean, get it all prepped. That way Michael can get in there and do his work. But as always, guys, go ahead and like, subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Is it hard to be fresh if you don't have money, or can you still pull it off?
See, when I ain't had no money, I still had sauce. See, if you don't got no sauce, then you lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.